Liver health, the hidden culprits in your diet and how to protect your vital organ. Imagine your liver as a silent guardian, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you healthy. It's responsible for filtering out toxins, breaking down food, and producing essential proteins. But in our fast-paced, convenience-driven world, this vital organ faces a constant barrage of threats. Hidden in plain sight within our everyday meals lie the subtle culprits that can compromise the liver's resilience. The intricacies of how certain foods impact the liver unveil a complex interplay of metabolism, inflammation, and cellular stress, a delicate balance that, when disturbed, can lead to conditions like fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. Understanding this relationship is not just a step towards better health. It's a journey into the heart of human biology and the choices that shape our well-being. Number 1. Trans fats, the sneaky culprits. Have you ever noticed those partially hydrogenated oils lurking in your favorite packaged snacks, fried foods, and baked goods? Those seemingly harmless ingredients are actually hiding a dangerous secret. They're packed with trans fats. Trans fats are difficult for the body to break down and process efficiently. These sneaky fats are like a ticking time bomb for your liver. They clog up your arteries, raise your bad cholesterol, and trigger inflammation, all of which can lead to a condition called fatty liver disease. Consuming trans fats can trigger an inflammatory response in the body. Chronic inflammation in the liver can lead to damage and scarring, fibrosis, which can impair liver function. Trans fats may contribute to insulin resistance. This can lead to higher blood sugar levels and increased fat storage in the liver, exacerbating conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Foods containing high trans fats are packaged snacks like cookies, crackers, cakes, muffins, pie crusts, and other packaged snacks often contain partially hydrogenated oils, a primary source of trans fats. Fried foods like fast food and other deep-fried items, such as French fries, fried chicken, and donuts, can contain trans fats, depending on the type of oil used for frying. Non-dairy creamers. Many non-dairy creamer products, particularly powdered forms, may contain trans fats. Number 2. Alcohol, the party pooper. We all love to let loose and enjoy a drink or two, but too much alcohol can turn into a party pooper for your liver. With every sip, your liver has to deal with a toxic substance called acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde is like a wrecking ball for your liver cells, causing damage, inflammation, and scarring. Over time, this can lead to serious liver conditions like cirrhosis, a life-threatening condition that impairs your liver's ability to function. Regular and excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a buildup of fat in liver cells, a condition known as alcoholic fatty liver. This is the earliest stage of alcohol-related liver disease. Continued alcohol abuse can lead to alcoholic hepatitis and inflammation of the liver. Over time, this inflammation can cause scarring, fibrosis, which can progress to cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is the severe scarring of the liver, leading to poor liver function. Alcohol can interfere with the liver's ability to regenerate itself, leading to a decrease in healthy liver tissue and an increase in scar tissue. It's important to drink in moderation and be aware of the alcohol content in different types of beverages to protect liver health. If you're finding value in our video, please consider subscribing for the latest health updates. Number 3. Red meat and processed meats, the fatty overload. Red meat and processed meats might seem like a delicious source of protein, but they're also loaded with saturated fats. These saturated fats are like a magnet for fat, attracting it to your liver cells and causing them to swell up. This condition, known as fatty liver disease, can lead to further liver damage if not addressed. Red and processed meats are known to increase LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. High LDL levels can contribute to the development of fatty liver disease. The consumption of large amounts of red and processed meats can lead to increased inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation in the liver can result in liver cell damage and scarring, fibrosis, which may progress to more severe liver disease. Studies have shown that high consumption of red and processed meats is associated with an increased risk of liver cancer. Number 4. Soy protein hard to spot. Many soy-based products, especially highly processed ones, may contain added sugars, fats, and other additives that could be harmful to the liver when consumed in excess. In some individuals, soy can cause allergic reactions or sensitivities. While this is not directly related to liver health, any severe allergic reaction can have systemic effects and place stress on the body, including the liver. Soy products can interfere with the way certain medications are processed by the liver. This interaction can affect drug effectiveness and may potentially strain the liver. An excessive intake of any protein, including soy protein, can increase the workload on the liver. The liver has to work harder to metabolize and process the byproducts of protein metabolism, which in extreme cases could lead to liver strain. Examples of soy protein foods with potential liver health concerns: soy-based meat alternatives, soy protein bars, soy-based snacks, certain soy milk and cheeses, highly processed soy desserts. Recommendations for liver-friendly soy consumption: opt for whole, unprocessed soy foods like tofu, edamame, and tempeh. Minimize consumption of processed soy products with added sugars, fats, and additives. Be mindful of your overall protein intake and avoid excessive consumption of any protein source, including soy. Number 5. Fried and fatty foods, the double whammy. Fried foods and fatty foods are a double whammy for your liver. They're packed with both saturated and trans fats, which we've already established as major liver villains. These fats not only contribute to fatty liver disease, but also trigger inflammation and raise your bad cholesterol levels, putting your liver under even more stress. These foods are often very calorie-dense, which can contribute to weight gain and obesity. Obesity is a significant risk factor for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Eating a lot of fried and fatty foods can trigger an inflammatory response in the body. Chronic inflammation in the liver can damage liver cells and lead to scarring, or fibrosis, which can progress to more severe liver conditions like cirrhosis. Fried and fatty foods can raise levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides in the blood. Regular consumption of these types of foods can also lead to metabolic issues like insulin resistance. Insulin resistance makes it harder for the body to process sugar and fat, leading to further fat accumulation in the liver. Number 6. Refined carbohydrates, the sugar rush gone wrong. Those refined carbohydrates in your white bread, pastries, and sugary snacks might taste delicious, but they're like a sugar rush gone wrong for your liver. When you consume these carbs, your blood sugar spikes, and your liver has to work overtime to convert it into energy. This can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where your cells don't respond properly to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. The liver plays a key role in managing blood sugar levels. In the face of insulin resistance, the liver converts excess glucose into fat. Some of this fat gets stored in the liver, leading to fatty liver disease, specifically non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Regular consumption of refined carbohydrates is often associated with weight gain and obesity. Number 7. MSG, the flavor enhancer with a hidden agenda. MSG is that flavor enhancer that makes your food taste extra delicious. But this sneaky ingredient might have a hidden agenda. Studies suggest that MSG might contribute to fat accumulation in the liver, trigger inflammation, and interfere with your body's ability to regulate blood sugar. Chronic liver inflammation can lead to liver cell damage and is a key factor in the progression of liver diseases, such as NAFLD and NASH, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, a more severe form of fatty liver disease. Some research indicates that MSG could be associated with insulin resistance and is often associated with a diet high in processed foods, which can contribute to weight gain and obesity. Obesity is a significant risk factor for NAFLD and other metabolic disorders that can adversely affect liver health. The power of informed choices. Your liver is a resilient organ, but it needs your help to stay healthy. By limiting your intake of these harmful foods and making informed choices about your diet, you can give your liver the fighting chance it deserves. The foods we consume, like alcohol, refined carbohydrates, fried and fatty foods, and even additives like MSG, don't just satiate our hunger. They profoundly impact our liver's function. By opting for balanced, nutritious diets and moderating the intake of potentially harmful foods, we can safeguard our liver's health. Ultimately, the path to a healthy liver is paved with informed choices, a testament to the adage that we truly are what we eat. Thanks for watching.